Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel mcqs. I'm Shruti, MBBS Phase 1 student from Trichy SRM Medical College. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about some of the YouTube channels that I followed for studies, the YouTube channels that I followed during my NEET preparation. So YouTube is absolutely free and amazing platform for us to follow any channel that we want, and we can instantly clear any of the doubts and all that. And we may have a doubt in just a particular topic, and you can watch videos on that particular topic. So you might already be following a lot of amazing YouTube channels out there, but in this video I'm just going to say what YouTube channels I followed. I'm just going to mention one per subject, which I found the most useful for me. So firstly, if you want to start with physics, so physics, of course, you all know what I'm going to say, right? It's Physics Wallah. So I followed Physics Wallah, and there was this crash course playlist, which was basically for 2021 students, 2021 crash course. But then in the last 1 month, I had followed that particular crash course for NEET, basically entire 11th, 12th portion. Even the basic mathematics videos there, but then we already know that, right, by the time we're in 12th. So entire 11th and 12th portion, everything I followed from that one crash course. So I'll give the link below in the description. But other than that crash course as well, I have seen many Physics Wallah videos, chapter wise videos during the course of my 11th and 12th in that YouTube channel. So it was an amazing YouTube channel for me, and I guess many of you as well. So this particular crash course, I'll share the link down below, and you can follow it if you want to just get a gist of all the chapters. So there are some very important chapters in physics which you have to study to write the NEET exam, to crack the NEET exam. So those important chapters, whichever chapters, you can prioritize your chapters. Soon I'll be releasing a video of the most important chapters, 11th and 12th combined in physics. So I'll be releasing that video, but you can prioritize the chapters as you want and watch those chapters that you want to complete first. And the chapters which you already have a clear idea of, you can skip that and move to the chapters where you need concentration, where you need to build up. So you can look for those chapters, and I'll provide the link below. Coming to biology, bio, as most of you might already do, it's basically self-studies, and we have to spend our time with our book and just sit with the book and go through the concepts one by one slowly, because each line could be a possible NEET question. So we have to go through each and every line. And as I've already mentioned in many of my videos, that bio is where you can score maximum marks. So I would say if you like, you can totally go to the YouTube videos, but for bio, according to me, I feel like you could spend that time in self studies rather than going, and because none of the chapter at this point might be alien to you, right? I'm talking about the current 12th batch who are going to give their NEET this year. So none of the chapters might be alien to you. Everything, all of the chapters you might have read at least once by now. And bio is very self-explanatory as well. So when you read the chapter on your own, you tend to understand it very well. And I feel you don't need a YouTube channel for bio. But one thing, you definitely need to attempt a lot of MCQs in bio. You can do the MCQs on your own, but I have one channel which is Garima Goel ma'am for bio, that is MCQs. So I suggest that you complete, suppose say plant physiology, you complete that particular unit, and after you're done with the unit, just go for the MCQs, like a speed MC, watch it in 1.5x or 2x, and just complete the MCQs in a very fast, very quick time, because you will be able to answer it as well, because you've done the chapter. So you'll be able to answer the questions, and then you will be seeing variety of questions in those MCQs. So you'll have 1 hour crash course or something, which you can double the speed and watch it. And especially ma'am will be picking out the best MCQs, right? The teachers know which is the best MCQ that's going to come for you in a NEET exam. So it's really nice if we follow them, especially for MCQs. But then studies wise, I would suggest that you sit and do self-study, and that is the best for bio. So coming to chemistry, in chemistry I am going to just mention one single YouTube channel. So for everything I'm just mentioning one YouTube channel, and if there are some others that I want to mention, I'll put it in the description box below. But then for chemistry, for short revision, quick revision, there are some chapters you're going to give a mock test or something, and before that you want to revise something really quickly. So you have these short videos, 5 minutes to 7 minutes videos, and the YouTube channel is called Canvas Classes. And you also have longer videos in which the full chapter is explained, and detailed videos and all that. So Canvas classes was one of the best YouTube channels that I had seen for chemistry. Practicing questions, MCQs is very important from chemistry point of view. You need to practice a lot of questions, be it organic and inorganic or physical, whatever. You have to practice a lot of questions. For organic, I suggest you do the questions behind the chapters given in the NCRT. They are very useful. You get in-depth knowledge about the concept if you do those questions. And if you have not done, start doing it now itself. It's never too late. You can start now. So many of you may be thinking that there's no much time, we have to do a lot of things right now, especially the ones giving NEET along with the board exams this year. But then when you're studying the chapters, definitely you'll study the chapters for board exams. Coming to 12th grade chapters first, you'll be studying them for your boards, right? So when you're studying, just do the back questions as well. It will be very helpful for your boards and NEET. And once your boards are done, you have to keep revising your 11th even along with your board preparation. But then once your board exams are done, you can go back to 11th portion properly, and then you can do the questions and just practice the 11th question MCQs. So one thing is that you have to thoroughly learn the 12th subjects now. So when you are studying for your board exam, you have to very thoroughly learn the 12th subjects such that after the board exams you can give only time for 11 subjects. So it's very difficult to manage, I understand, because I've gone through the same thing, but then you can definitely do it, you can crack it, so don't worry. So that's it for this video, and right now I'm quite busy with the internals and everything, so like I understand there's a delay in like each video that is coming up, but then I'm trying to share maximum possible in one video that I make. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. All the best.